Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change birthday on your VK account. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch VK application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now just at the top left corner beside home, you can see a circle icon with your profile picture on it. Simply tap on that circle icon. Now, once you are here, just tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now, just at the top, simply select the option of Edit Profile. Now, once you are here, just under Information, tap on the option of Personal Info. Now, let's wait for some time until the page is loading. Once you come under this page of Personal Data, you'll see the field where your birthday is entered. Now, if you tap on the field, you can change your birthday accordingly. Now, let me change my month. Now, let's change the year accordingly. Here we go. Now, let me change my birth date as well. After choosing a date, simply tap on Done at the bottom right of this option. Now, once you are done, make sure that you tap on Done at the top right corner of your screen. And now you can see that within a matter of seconds, your changes have been saved and that your birthday on your VK account has been changed as well. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.